Hello and welcome to my video. This video is going to step-by-step illustrate the installation of epanet2toolbox.r in a Windows 10 environment. On the screen I've already have a copy of R running in an integrated development environment called RStudio. I'm trying to resize it. Okay, that should be sufficient. If I look at my currently installed packages, there is no epanet to toolbox. The way to do the installation is I can choose install and actually type the packages directly. Alternatively, we can do it directly in the R console interface. The installation commands are, give me a second to find it. So if we type the command install.packages "epanet2toolkit, set the install options equal to install tests, what this should do is install the epanet2toolkit R script and a couple of test files that we can use to test the installation. So I'm going to go ahead and invoke the installation. Okay, and it has told me that it has found a binary package and it has it currently stored. The next command we want to issue is to attach the binary to this instance of R, and that is done by typing library epanet2toolkit, and it's giving us a warning message. I'll continue the install and see if it'll actually run, and then if not, I'll show you how to upgrade it. Okay, we'll also find the epanet reader is going to be useful. I really hope I'm not clobbering my other R installation, and we will set the library, set that's not, we just need that. Alright, so now we have what should be a correct install. Alright, the next thing we need to do is we want to run an example file. To do that, we need to set the path, and the easiest way to do that is for me to get my source, there we go, is going to run this simple script. So when I go ahead and hit return, what it should do is it should find the file path to the package and generate an input, a fully qualified input path name, run the program, and then report the output. I'm pretty sure it'll report a warning message because I think there's a line missing. And it does give the warning message, but we've now just run epanet directly from R. Now the computations are still done in the epanet that's written in C, and we have an interface here. So that's how to install EPA Net2 Toolbox in R.